So hello friends, welcome back to the channel. The topic of our video is to get free online vector editing software. So our last video is about free online editor of Photoshop. Now today I am going to tell you online editor for Adobe Illustrator. I have a first part on this topic, so you can also check it out. Link is in the description below. So the website name is the vector. So as you can see, it is the home page of the vector.com. So it is a free vector software, graphic software. So as you can see, it is completely for beginners. If you are new in vector, so you can definitely start with this. And as you can see, they have a separate tutorial section for beginners. So as you can see, there are many tutorials that can help and improve your vector drawing. So let me go to the online editor. As you can see, it is the home page. It is the vector editing software. As you can see, there are many options provided. As you can see, there is unit, and it will unite all the shapes. There is subtract, that will subtract, intersect, and exclude. So these are options that are very good if you are needed in video editing. And as you can see, this is the pen tool, which is very important in making vector images. So if you are a beginner, then I recommend you to use this software. It is very good and it will help you to begin drawing vector images. So that's the end for this video. If you like this video, then share it with your friends and family. So I have also free video on Photoshop online editor. You can also go and watch it. And thank you for watching this video.